Today we are turning your home into a holiday getaway, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video, more so because I want to do this for myself. I've got some really great ideas on how you can take your home, your everyday surroundings, and turn them into a wonderful staycation, holiday, whatever you want to call it, at home. Okay, the more attention and intention that you put into all these ideas that I'm about to give you, the better. So really put some thought and effort into all the things you do to make your staycation the best that it can be. Okay, let's get going. Now, if some of these ideas aren't resonating for you, don't worry, I've got a whole list of ideas. I'm sure there's something in this video for everyone. So my first idea is to prepare your guest room and sleep in there. Use the good fluffy towels. Find some fancy soaps, lay it all out as if it's a hotel room or you have guests coming over, but do it for yourself. You can put chocolate on your pillow, you can clear off the bathroom counters and put up little fancy soaps and lotions and all that stuff like you find in a hotel. You can just take all your regular stuff that you usually have out on the counters, put it in a box and just put it away for the weekend and enjoy it as if it's a hotel bathroom. If you don't have a guest room, you can still do this in your own bedroom. Put fresh sheets on and just make it as clean and clear and as much like a hotel room as you can. Clean off your surfaces. Again, you can just put it in a box for a weekend. Rearrange your furniture. Do things to make your home look different and look more like a hotel, or just make it look a little bit different so it's a little bit more exciting. For meals, you can order takeout. I am so sick of dishes and cooking, so make it easier on yourself. Get some takeout, get out your best dishes, set the table really nice with some candles and flowers. You can make a Big Mac look good if you put it on a nice plate with a pretty napkin, flowers, and a candle. You're all set. Now, these ideas don't have to be expensive. You can find things around your house, but if you had a budget for your holiday, you can use that budget to buy things that would help make your home look a little bit more like a holiday away. Next, once your home is set up, what you want to do is to do things that you would only do when you're on a holiday. Sit outside in a deck chair and read a book. Go for a hike. Sleep in. Take a bath. Have room service. You can set up a little table in your bedroom and eat your breakfast in your bedroom. Speaking of breakfast, set up a nice buffet the night before. Use your good teapot or coffee pot. Put your jams in tiny little dishes, or even in the morning you can make yourself a full English breakfast. Anything that you love about the hotel breakfasts, bring that home. Make up some waffle batter the night before, some pancake batter, and then make it up that morning. Set out all the things in a little buffet with a white tablecloth and some flowers. Just make it really pretty and make it the way that you would want to see in a hotel. If hotels are not your jam and you're more of a camper, then why not set up the tent in the backyard? Or even make a fort and sleep in the living room. I think you can even roast marshmallows in the oven. Another idea is to give yourself a spa day. Again, clear out your bathroom, make it look really lush and inviting. Use that mask that you've been saving, or buy yourself a new one and put on that weird spa music that they always play. Light some candles, use essential oils, get yourself a fancy bath bomb. Your significant other can give you a massage, or if you have a teenage daughter, she can give you a facial or a makeover. So there's all kinds of things that you can do to turn your home into a holiday getaway. You just need to be creative and use your imagination. Take these ideas, the ones that kind of sparked some interest in you, that got you really excited, expand on those, and really come up with some great ideas to make your staycation amazing. Please share your photos of your staycation ideas. Tag me in any photos that you share. I'm at Kara Vincents on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below if you had a trip planned this summer and where you were supposed to go. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can click here on my little face to subscribe. Here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.